Jonas, yo. Yabona guys, oyo enginabo for my entire life. In fact, for the entire year, I think baphelile. Because what do you mean? Like, I've never seen such a thing in my life. Like, are there people like Jonas in real life? Like, honestly, genuinely, because this is crazy. I get kumtonjia guys emhlabeni. I refuse to believe. I refuse. Because what is that? Hey, guys, I thought being Bazum Pepeni or SK Koza or Lozana Semikosi Mtembu, like being Baz. But the low I ngeke any level, Lena guys. Lana fethu akekho umuntu odlula lo baba fethu kwayinge yabona fethu into ezenze lo hibo akekho futhi. Another thing about this man, he doesn't love anybody. He doesn't care about anybody but himself. He only cares about himself. Like yabona indaba engidina kakhulu guys. Uju Joyce like did everything for this man to make his life easier. But he chose to betray this woman over and over again. Whereas there's US. Yabona indaba ka-Ace ngidina mfethu yazi my blood boil. And the funny thing, no, Matipa, I thought Matipa was probably gonna be the person that and he was gonna love. God no, and for just I was praying so hard that Matipa becomes this man's karma. God no, Matipa uzovena besithipa, avena mithi, avena mthando wenyani, avena yo. And the funny part is that Matipa thought she was the exception. She thought she was the exception to this man's terrible behavior. She thought she was exception for, in this man's horrible behavior and abusive behavior. Because she made Impelo Joyce hell and horrible. She had a very ubephakeme shem yazuphakama iwaphakama umuntu kanti sazobukhala nangaye azovena mgexabeze ngama twins. And don't even get me started with the kids. That man hated his kids, but he wanted to make kids all the time, and he made kids everywhere. I'm just not sure, guys. I'm not sure if that man is okay up here. Because I want to ilumbo because that's the only explanation I have. You guys danger man. Ilumbo leli straight guys. Lo muntu konke bamshiselayo lemncane ngoba ayikho into enje. Ayikho into enje.
First of all, Netflix is Camille Child. What kind of rage baiting is this? Like what the fuck? Netflix king totally and go the studio alone. Before Kile Child anything, I saw she be more than 2 episodes. I'm sure she be 2 episodes and that already said to fed up. What the fuck? Why the rage bait Takama Sepa? All weekend I said to go social media about a 10 out of 10 series. South African series, like proud or at least reproduce something. Then ke mathela go Netflix ke lo stream, I can take a stream myself. What the fuck, nigga? Like what kind of rage baiting is this? Imagine o tlogela familiar for this beach ya cap. Go itse go tlogela familiar go ya bana ba itre le a wife le a mansion. We lo dula go hoteleng. What the fuck, nigga? Sit the fuck down. The brother lane. I told her makhwapeni wa go wa cheat. I will next la buta go tsamaya, it's fine. Like do something. Like in real life, you don't react that way. Storyline is alona si weak. What the fuck is going on? What the fuck is this trash? This is fucking trash. Like I don't wanna lie. Like what the fuck? 10 out of 10 this shit. Imagine what's a crime today and the same night Mapodisa are on your door to arrest you. No question, no nothing. You're not a suspect. They know it's you. How? And look on why Bamapisa Jaka Magogo this lady. What kind of disrespect is this? Like Lalaga intelligence around. What the fuck? 10 out of 10 this shit. This shit is terrible, Buffett. Like I don't wanna lie. This shit is terrible. Like I don't know, get 10 out of 10 maybe for standard some South Africa, but this shit is like this is pure rage baiting entertainment. Like by rage bait, every scene it's a rage bait. And then that girl will go PNC, Florida or something. Florida, something, I don't know. But about you wanna lose your job, tell the truth. And then she becomes a snitch just like that. What the fuck, nigga? That doesn't make any sense. We did the guy, this receptionist or PA. Only information about this guy watch cheat. Netflix, please. What the fuck is this shit? Like, what's Netflix?